Hello everyone, welcome to another Midjourney tutorial. Today I will show you how to subscribe on Midjourney so that you can purchase your Midjourney pricing plan. Now, as you can see, first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to go to Midjourney, and after you click on Midjourney, you will land on midjourney.com/app. So here, as you can see, I logged in already, so make sure you log in already. And here, as you can see, I can actually purchase a plan. These are all my images that I created, right? So I can actually here go and purchase a plan, and this will bring me to midjourney.com/account. So you can actually go and just type in this website to land on this account, right? What you can also do is you can manage subscription here, and then as you can see, you will land on this page as well. And here you can actually go and subscribe to, for example, basic plan, right? Let's say you want to use this one, click on this, and then you will be brought to the billing section. As you can see, this is $120 per year. And if you want, you can just put the email, card information here, name of the card, and then you can hit subscribe, right? And this will automatically subscribe you to your Midjourney, subscription. And if you want to manage your subscription, you can just go here, manage subscription, and then you will be able to manage subscription. You can also go to three dots here, manage sub or subscription, and then you will land on this page as well, and you will be able to manage your subscription. So that's pretty much how to subscribe on Midjourney. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.